Have you ever wondered about the world of carnivorous plants? These intriguing organisms hold a peculiar place in the plant kingdom. Unlike their photosynthesizing counterparts, they've evolved to supplement their diets by preying on insects and sometimes even small mammals. Among the most famous are the Venus flytraps with their jaw-like leaves, the pitcher plants with their deadly pools of enzymes, and the sticky, glistening sundews. These plants, while often overlooked, are the unseen hunters of the plant world. How exactly do these green predators catch their prey? Well, their ingenious mechanisms are as varied as they are fascinating. Snap traps, like those of the Venus flytrap, snap shut in mere fractions of a second. Pitfall traps, on the other hand, lure victims into a slippery, inescapable pit. Flypaper traps employ a sticky surface, while suction traps, such as those of bladderworts, create an underwater vacuum to draw in prey. Each trap is a marvel of natural engineering, designed to ensnare the unsuspecting. But what happens after the prey is caught, you may ask? Well, here's the fascinating part. Carnivorous plants, like a skilled chef, break down their prey using enzymes, similar to how we humans digest food. These enzymes extract essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus from the unlucky insect. This extraordinary ability allows these plants to thrive in nutrient-poor soils, where other flora find it tough to survive. In a nutrient-starved world, these plants have found a unique way to get what they need. Indeed, the world of carnivorous plants is as fascinating as it is diverse. From the unseen hunters to the crafty trap setters and the efficient digesters, these green predators are a testament to the marvels of evolution. Their unique ecosystems, rich in diversity and brimming with life, are invaluable treasures we must strive to protect. So next time you're out in nature, keep an eye out for these green predators. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating insights into the natural world.